So we're going to talk about how to use our vegan formula, afternoon or PM dose. First, the reason you must take 3 capsules twice a day is because it's everything you need. This is very important. A lot of people believe that they have to take other vitamins with the formula. No, no, no. This is your multivitamin, your antioxidant. It has everything that you need for immunity. The zinc, the vitamin C. It's got an energy blend. It's got a female support blend. Everything you need is in here. So remember, this is 3 capsules twice a day for all you need. So this, opening bottles back and forth, closing them up and throwing them back in the cabinet, those days are over. This is all you need. Next, please be consistent. If you're not consistent, you're going to get some of the benefits, but you're really not going to see the hair growth and the skin glow and health and energy that we know you'll see if you use it consistently. Next, please don't take any supplement on an empty stomach. It won't help you talk, but don't take them on an empty stomach. Nuts, a piece of fruit, anything. Most people experience some kind of tummy upset when they're taking supplements. So but we really advise a little bit of food. And according to Dr. Sinclair and Company, a little bit of food does not disrupt your fast. Next, full glass of water. You've got to make sure that the capsules are getting and dissolving in the stomach. So a full glass of water is a must. Now, we also see some people say, oh, I hate swallowing capsules, it's too much. Well, what you can do is you can open up the capsule and you can pour it into your smoothie, into a soup. I tried it in melted chocolate one time. Don't do that. That's bad. It was not good. But you can take it. Now, if you don't like swallowing capsules, then this product is not for you if you can't put it into a smoothie or dissolve it in juice or whatnot. So we ask that you not purchase it because we want you to be happy and we want you to use it. And this is not going to benefit you unless you use it. The bottle looking pretty on the counter is not going to grow your hair. So that's the PM usage directions with one final piece of advice. There's a lot of B vitamins because we know that hair loves B vitamins. If B vitamins keep you up at night, and it happens to some people, it doesn't happen to me, then please try to take it before 6 or 7, 3-4 hours before you go to bed so you don't have to worry about that. And remember, visualize how you want to look and then step into the feeling of how you want to look and feel in your heart, in your body, in your soul. Because if you don't believe in you, you're not going to realize your full potential. And that's what ULU is about. We want to make you feel good about how you look so you can go out and live your purpose.